Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest you don't have permission to access. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest you don't have permission to access, you should just go to settings. Then in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this list you will search about this window of Pinterest. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.